Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, I just found these pieces and this gives me a good time to actually tell you the difference between clean copper and dirty copper. I'm not talking about clean as in physical appearance. Okay, let's see here. Let's take this here. Okay, as you can see, there's a joint right there, and in that joint there's usually some kind of a brazing compound. Could be solder, something of that nature. So what they mean by clean is anything that has no solder on it. So a lot of people, they will see this, they'll just cut from here and they'll throw it away. But I bought these. Well, a friend gave me money to buy these. But if you take it, go right there, cut it over here. These things work great for cutting these copper tubes. Okay, so now this is brass and copper. Take this cap off because it's plastic. Just throw it away. That will go into one bucket. It's nice and heavy. Now, here's a good piece. Okay, a lot of people won't go through this. So what I normally do is, since copper is usually the highest thing that we can go for as far as money is concerned, I will come over on this side, just right like that, and cut. I will do the same with this side and cut. Maybe. Might be too small of a piece. There we go. So this I will throw in my dirty copper because it's the part that has the solder on it. So that will go into a separate bucket. But as far as this stuff is concerned, okay, good note, never do this in a rocky area. Never. I know it fell down, and I'll probably find it in a day or two, but or as I'm walking around filming, because it was only a little piece. But like I said, this will go into your brass and copper bucket, not your clean brass. This piece right here has no solder on it. That will go into clean because there's no solder. This will go into dirty because it actually has solder on it. You know, if you separate your metals, you'll get paid a lot more money. And then that's all I keep doing. This is clean, so that'll go into its own bucket. But since I'm right here, this right here, I'll move over a little bit, cut. That'll go into clean. I will then move over to this side, just by a little, and then cut. That will go into my dirty. And then I will just go a little bit further over to this here and cut. That will go into my clean. that will go into brass and copper. So right there, that's pretty heavy. You get a 5-gallon bucket full of this, there's money there. You know, but that's what they mean by clean copper. You know, if you have a 99-cent store near you, go and get one of these. Yes, it doesn't say 99 cents, it says $2.99 on it. But they're the best thing I've found for cutting this copper. You know, I wish I had the machine that Jackpot Digger has, you know, and it's an electronic tube cutter. But from what I hear, those things are awfully expensive. I mean, really expensive. But that's how you clean copper. So I hope you liked this how-to. Like I said, just take a little bit of time and clean it, you know, and I'll do this one in a little bit, but, you know, same thing. Right there, clean. From here to here, clean, dirty, and this, I don't know if it'll cut off, but same thing. Same thing here, cut it off there, that becomes clean. And then this just goes into your scrap pile. You know, but that's it. Easy peasy. So, as I always say, scrap it right, make that money. Peace. YouTube poke. Later, Gators.